the background. He looks so freaking cute. I can't. Oh, are you cuddling? I love him. What is up, guys? It's Caitlin B and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it'd be really fun to kind of mix two videos together, basically a vlog and a what I eat in a day video. Going back to the feedback I got on my Here's Where I'm At video, which I will link down below if you guys haven't seen it. But you guys have requested a ton of videos for me to do this year. And one of the top things you guys requested for me to do is vlogs. I had so much fun on Vlogmas and there was a ton of days. I actually did finish Vlogmas, but I never got to upload them because I was really stressed out with preparing for my trip to Punta Cana. And then after I got back, it was kind of like pointless for me to upload Vlogmas. So I have all this footage that I didn't use, unfortunately, but hopefully next year I can upload them all on time. But today I thought I would show you guys what I eat in a day, especially being a vegetarian, kind of like pescatarian college student. I know this is also really requested from that video, so I thought this would be kind of fun to start doing what I eat in a day videos and cook with me kind of videos. This is kind of a mixture of all of those things because I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare each meal and what I'm eating. So it's kind of like an instructional video because I'm gonna show you actually how to cook these foods and then you can prepare them for yourselves because it's super easy and fun, and I've actually gotten really into cooking. I never thought I would ever say that because I used to hate cooking, but now I actually really enjoy it. So I've been really loving that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm making for breakfast, and I've already started making something that I'm going to be eating later just so that I could get ahead. So this is what I've been making for dinner that I'll be eating later on. Just some rice that I've been cooking. I've just been simmering this for about 45 minutes and I was going to be eating this for part of my dinner later, but I just wanted to get it out of the way because it does take 45 minutes, so I thought I would just do it ahead of time. So I'm just going to let this cool and then put it in a Tupperware for later just so that I have it all in my fridge and then I can just reheat it later on. All you have to do to make this eggy bread or French toast, take a bakery bread and make sure that you buy it without it being sliced because you're gonna make it kind of a thicker slice of bread. Cut it to the size that you want and then you're going to make a pocket. I just took that knife and just kind of carefully cut it in between that slice just to make a little bit of a pocket. Okay, so now that I have this pocket right here, I'm just going to really gently stick my fingers into it just to make sure that the pocket is big enough. And then I'm going to start stuffing it with blackberries and raspberries, but really, really gently so that we don't break the pocket. Okay, so I just washed some fruit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need more than this or less than this, but I can definitely add more. And then I'm just going to gently begin stuffing this into the pocket, as many as I can. So let's see if I can do it. I am using an egg replacer, 2 teaspoons of that, and then you mix it with like 2 tablespoons of warm water. Just whip that up, and then I'm just gonna pour that into the blender with the banana. Brown spotted banana, those are the best for you, and they taste super good. You can add nutmeg and cinnamon. I just had cinnamon on hand. And then I'm just going to put that in the NutriBullet. I just poured it over a paper plate, put the bread on top of that eggy mixture. And you can put a drizzle of oil or some butter. I use this Earth Balance vegan butter. And once it was heated up, I just placed my bread right on top of that. P.S. You guys like the shirt I'm wearing? It's Becker's. I don't know how I have it in my apartment, but it says it's a crap. Oh my gosh. So I was going to save and wait to do like my first taste test on camera, but I just couldn't wait. I just dug right in, and then little did I know, it was already gone. So I have this much left. My bad. Oh my gosh, it's so good though, you guys. Like, it doesn't taste really any different than I think if I would made this with regular eggs. There is like a slight different taste, maybe because it is made of potatoes. I'm not sure if like your average person would notice if you didn't tell them that it wasn't like a real egg, but it'd be interesting to see if they could tell. But it's so freaking good. I'm eating this for lunch because I did make an early breakfast before I went to class this morning, and I didn't film it because I wasn't planning on doing this video today, but then I thought, hey, might as well do it. But this is definitely a breakfast food, but I mean, you can have this any time of the day. You don't just have to have this for breakfast, obviously. I just got a phone call, so I'm in a different location now. But as I was saying, I just topped it off with some shaved almonds or whatever they are. These like almond pieces. And then I sprinkled on a little bit more cinnamon, some more berries, and then also just a really light drizzle of agave. You don't have to do that, but I just think it's nice. I'm gonna finish eating this, and then I'm going to film a couple of videos for you guys, some like sit down videos instead of a vlog style, but it's nice. I get to like kill a couple birds with one stone by just vlogging the day and then also filming. So that's kind of fun, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I will check back in with you guys later for my next snack or when I'm cooking dinner. Hey guys, it is now, same time it is, 5:30 p.m. and I am going to start making some dinner. So I was going to make these vegan enchiladas that looked super, super good, but I just realized that in the sauce I don't have the vegetable broth. Ugh. So my roommate's actually at the grocery store right now, or like an hour, so she's gonna pick that up for me. But I'm like really hungry, so I think I'm just going to make something now and then cook that probably tomorrow. So I'm either gonna make some quinoa, brown rice, noodles, and some potatoes and veggies, or else just some potatoes, veggies, and rice. Not exactly sure what I want to do yet, but I just chopped some potatoes up and I'm going to boil that first and then see what I'm in the mood for.